Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to the channel again. Today, you're going to just kind of see me do a little bit of clips of cleaning up the wheels. But I think I might have found a solution to the whole wet sanding and all that. So stay tuned to see what I came up with. So as I discussed here, I kind of just cleaned up the wheels. Got them all cleaned up here. You know, they had all the wet sanding drippings and stuff on it. So yeah, those are looking pretty spicy right there on the old black pepper. So anyway, what I'm was getting at, you kind of see a little bit of the haziness, and then we go to, so I started watching some videos out there more on this wet sanding, because majority of what you see here is from when I wet sanded. It's not from my compound, and I'm not getting any swirl marks from the buffer. This is not a circular pattern, so it's not that. So I'm thinking that I'm not going aggressive enough. So I had to watch some more videos. So this is what I came up with. I went to AutoZone. They have these at AutoZone. So a lot of these fine scratches that you can see are from me using like the 1500 grit. So I noticed a lot of these guys, in order to get majority of that out and make it look all solid and smooth, they be using the 3000 on a DA. And as you can see, it says this is cushioned. And so I picked this up, and you can actually put it on your DA. And I mean, and these guys, they will sit there and go to town on an area on this. I mean, I was surprised, but this thing is kind of, you know, super soft. It's not like super sandpapery. It just feels more like a, you know, like a jeweler's type sandpaper or something. So what I'm going to try is using that on an area. I'll probably do it up top, because the top is pretty rough up there, and then I'm going to use sandpaper and stuff to wrap, or sandpaper, carbon fiber vinyl to wrap up top there anyway. And then after that, I wanted to get something that was a little more better for the compound versus these foam pads. So I picked up this finishing pad, which is microfiber, if y'all can see that. And I think this will save me a lot more. Yeah, so I think this will save my arms from having to be wearing this stuff out. So, and you know, I think down here it's all good. I'm basically just gonna do this big square piece all the way down the center. Get that better taken care of. I mean, in here, y'all can see it on the camera. It looks pretty shiny. And even if you look from this angle, I mean, yeah, it's glossy, but when you go out in the sun, yeah, you get all kinds of, as you can see here, where the light, and you can kind of see here where it's a little bit less scratchy, but yeah, I got to be able to get all that out. I mean, this is new paint. This truck hasn't been driving around for years, and it looks like this, you know, with erosion and all that. This is a fresh, clear coat. So we shouldn't be having these issues. So I'm going to give it hell and see what happens. So definitely stay tuned tomorrow for that video, because it won't be on this video. Also, I wanted to show some of y'all, I don't know if y'all ever seen this, some of y'all new subscribers, but on the roof here, inside on the headliner, we got a whole bunch of patches up there. So yeah, I got to do a little bit different stuff with the colors in here now, change this up. I don't know if you all seen some of my older videos, but I already put new carpet in here. I got to clean this up. I want to, in the future, is try to, I don't know, maybe change the interior up as far as like seats, center console, and all that. I'd try to like to do like a newer vehicle with some leather or something. And I'd kind of like to try to get maybe some new door skins. And I would like to try to do something different with the dash, maybe like a carbon fiber wrap or something. That dash was already painted when I got this truck. So yeah, anyway, that's about it for today's video. Not a whole lot to show other than me cleaning some wheels. But hopefully these two products here will address the issue that I've been having. In the videos I watched, you know, they were using this 205 and the 105 of Meguiar's, so they were using the same compound and chemicals. It was actually Meguiar's guys that were using it. So anyway, hopefully we'll get to the bottom of this and move on to bigger and better things. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, try to keep it simple. Try to keep it sweet.